Hello and welcome to Zapro9. Without wasting any time, let's start the tutorial. First, type in a request for the type of code you want, such as write me a code for a website template for taxi service, and ChatGPT will generate the code for you. The code generated by ChatGPT is a great starting point, but you'll likely want to customize it to fit your specific needs. This may involve changing the text, color scheme, or adding additional functionality. You can use any HTML editor, such as Adobe Dreamweaver, to make these changes. Once you've customized your code, it's time to publish your website. You can do this by uploading the HTML files to a hosting service, such as Bluehost or WordPress. Now copy that code and paste in a notepad file and save this file as name.html. Also save file type as all files. Open that HTML file and see your website template. And that's it. Using OpenAI's ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily generate HTML code for your website. With a little bit of customization, you'll have a professional-looking website in no time. Thanks for watching and happy website building!